In this video, we're going to show you how to create content in a Google Spreadsheet that we will then use to create an app on our iPods. So here we are in Google Docs, and we've created a new spreadsheet. As of right now, this spreadsheet is unsaved. The first thing you want to do when you get into a spreadsheet is save it or give it a name. And I can click on this, and right now you can see it pulls up Untitled Spreadsheet as my title. Whenever we're titling documents that we're going to share with other people, we want to make sure our name is in this. So I'm going to call this Wally Vocab Quiz. And I'm ready to go. I'm going to hit OK. And you can see right now it sets up to be private. We can look at that in a little while. And I have the opportunity to save it as I go. Within this spreadsheet window, we have a variety of options. Not as many as you would if you went into Microsoft Office, but we do have quite a few options. What we're going to do for this one is just create two columns. We're going to create the question column and the answer column. Since we're doing vocabulary on this one, what I would suggest is on one side you type in the word that you want to put in, and here you type in the definition. You're probably not going to have enough space for definition, and what we can do with that is, you see as my cursor is moving along here, I get some different choices. If I go to the middle of those columns and I simply drag and drop, I can extend the size of those columns. Since I'm only using two, I can make those pretty large. So I'm just going to start in. The first word that I wanted to do was the word courage. And then I can hit enter or even tab. Enter will take me to the column below, and tab will move me to the column to the right. I can continue to type in the words that I want to do. For this one, I'm going to do some different life skills. I'll do courage, flexibility, perseverance, and you get the idea. I then can go over to this other side and type in the definition that I want to use. So flexibility, perseverance, to continue despite difficulties, never give up. You'll see even in Google Docs I have a red line underlining a word. We know from when we're in Word that that means I have a spelling error, so you can go back, fix that spelling error, and that red line will disappear. So there is features like spell check and other features within Google Docs. Again, there's not as many fonts or bells and whistles, but still some of the same tools. So you get the idea. We want to put the word on the left side and the definition on the right, or if you were making another quiz, the question and the answer, and continue doing that for all of your words and definitions.